First, you have Polo AI. This is an AI video generator that supports both image to video and text to video creation. It has a free option. Once you log in, you can explore the different videos other users have created. Let's go to the text to video section. I already ran a prompt before now. This one was just a woman in her 30s walking through a garden. We're going to run it again. As you can see, I currently have 22 credits. There are different model options like Polo 1.6, so I'm choosing Polo 1.6 for this one. You enter your prompt here. We have the option of selecting resolution format. We have 5 seconds, 10 seconds, and the aspect ratio of the video. Click on Generate. This one costs 25 credits. Let's adjust that down a bit so we don't use all our credits. Okay. Now we're selecting the 480p resolution credits option. Everything looks okay, so we're going to run it and see what we get. Now, as you can see, we're in the queue, position 26. The task is already written ahead. If you upgrade your account, your entry will be faster. So let's just wait this out. We're down to 13 in queue, almost there. You can fast forward this part if it's taking a bit more time on your end. Okay, so this is the video. There's no audio, but it doesn't look bad. A woman walking through a garden filled with blooming flowers, greenery, and golden sunlight. You can always crop out the watermark using CapCut or Canva. Let's look at the pricing and subscription options. On the free account, you get access to basic features. There are also light and pro versions. The watermark doesn't appear on both versions, so if that matters to you, the pro version might be best. You also have access to video effects, templates, and style options. Then you have tools like Face Swap AI, Lip Sync AI, and other image to video features. You'll also see other videos on the homepage. These are videos made by other creators. If you want to create a similar video, you can click the pink icon to create a similar version, and you can download public videos too. Next up is Neem AI. This is the homepage showing videos and images made by other users. We're going to use the same prompt from Polo AI so we can compare the output quality. Here you can choose between video or image, and we're using Kling 2.1. There's also a VEO 3 sound model available. You can pick 5 seconds or 10 seconds. Let's run this and see what we get. This one's not bad, but again, no audio. Here are the subscription options. I'm currently using the starter plan, but they also offer a free, pro, and max plan. The starter plan is what I used for this video, and you can definitely use the free one to begin. The next tool is Halu AI. These are the available tiers. The free plan, which I'm currently on, Standard, Master, Ultra, and Pro. There are tons of videos created by users. It's very user-friendly. You can recreate them or start from scratch. This platform mainly supports image to video, but they do have a text to video feature as well. Let's go create something. So this is the text to video section. For this demo, I use the image to video feature. I uploaded an image and transformed it into a video. It's not bad at all. You can delete or recreate it if you want. Now let's move on to VEO3 by Google. I had already created some videos earlier, and once you log in and subscribe, this is what the dashboard looks like. You'll see text to video, frames to video, ingredients to video. Set the output to 1, choose VEO3 quality, which is the best, and this version includes sound. Let's scroll down to a video I already created. This was the prompt I used for VEO3. Your prompt has to be very detailed.
Finally home.
As you can see, this version has audio synced with the video, which is fantastic. That's a big difference compared to some of the others we've seen. Now we're looking at Runway ML. This one is mostly image to video. Here are the plans: free, standard, pro, unlimited, and enterprise. Right now, I'm using the free plan. After logging in, you get to this page and you click Create. I use the same prompt again. You'll need to create an image first, then convert that image into a video. Let the image generate. Okay, the image looks good, so I have to download it, go back to the dashboard, then upload the image again to convert it into a video. Of all the platforms, they're all quite user-friendly, but Runway is my least favorite. The best, in my opinion, is still VEO3, simply because it comes with audio, which makes a huge difference compared to the others. Most of these tools offer free accounts, so you can start creating short videos for your YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, TikToks, or whatever platform you use. Okay, see you in the next video.